So wheat, getting ready for snow adventure.
At 2
Turn what off? What? What's that? Kind of cool in here. What happened to Ben? Okay, I'm not ready. I have to back up.
I see right here.
What's that?
I see on this thing.
Hold on, I gotta back up. Okay, I'm good now. What are you doing? Backflip?
I'm just gonna try and land without hurting myself.
Good plan. How was it? How was it? A little snowy?
There's snow in my arms. It's in my shirt. Ah. The snow is cold.
You think?
Kind of worked.
You should make a jump.
What?
You should make a jump out of that big piece of plywood into the snow.
I can't see that. We'll put it right here.
Yep. Yeah! It's supposed to snow tonight.
I have snow cankles.
More snow.
I have snow cankles.
What's that? I think you'll have snow off again. What the heck happened to your ankles?
The snow came into them.
That's awesome.
I know, I mean, look at this disgrace.
Should have tucked them in. Somebody go inside the igloo.
Going inside too.
Oh, pretty cool.
Okay, I won't be able to fit.
You can both fit. Slide over now.
I can fit. I know I can.
And once they get in, we'll cave it in.
I'm too cold.
Uh-huh.
Where'd you get it from?
Upstairs.
Yoo, Noah. Yay.
It's Groundhog Day. Come on out.
Tomorrow?
Right now. Uh-oh.
Can my hat is on? Why are you guys? Ah! I'm being.
I'm the best. Ah! Failure! Oh, my ear.
Oh, I missed.
Busted.
That was me, not Nichole.
So?
Slam into the brakes.
We'll get a new one.
Are you ready for this?
What? Ah, it's cold! The ground.
Now I'm freezing.
Hey, come show them your snow cankles.
Does she have them too?
Yep.
Wait for me.
Awesome.
Mine aren't bad.
Snow cankles.
Who would have known? Jumping in the snow.
Awesome.
Snow cankles.
Come on.
I can't hear you in here.
Come on.
Noah, come.
Hedgehog day. Hedgehog day. Beautiful. Hedgehog day.
There you go. Penguin Tunnel.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get killed.
What is Groundhog Day?
I think tomorrow or
You know, that was
Wednesday.
like an inch. Happy Hedgehog Day. La 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 la.
It's the Nichole payback. What's up, Snow Bunny? Hop away, quick, hop away. Hop away, Snow Bunny.
No.
I'm gonna die in a second.
She's not scared. Oh, yes. Car.
Oh my god. What? I feel like a helpless little puppy. Why? Ah!
No mercy. She's down and she gets trounced.
Anyway.
Man.
I am escaping. Pop? Like firework things that pop?
Okay, throw it at Ben. That's not Ben.
Oh. We should
Get a picture of them fighting.
Ah!
And trounced.
You missed. Epic.
Yeah, she's drilling you, Noah.
I miss every time.
She hit you with 4 of them.
All you have to do is stand over here, pick up the raft.
Oh, busted.
Who did that?
It fell out of the tree.
I'm a pretty butterfly.
Pretty crazy butterfly. Oh, lay back down.
No!
Snow angel, come on.
No!
Snow angel made by a snow devil.
Oh, thanks.
Ow!
You're a fat one.
Ah!
I'm sure neighbors will... Wait, who's moving there or whatever? Anything. Hi. Oh, snowball. No, I found all your snowballs.
Stick your head in there.
Yeah, well, what this is?
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Squirrel.
I'll
Why
follow
do I come with you? What? Why do I come with you?
She doesn't know her way.
Katie, come back.
What?
You coming back?
Yeah. Let's go.